Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I hope you don't mind the little irritation of having the ring light in my eyes, but I will need it today because we are unboxing the Boxycharm Premium. I'm going to cut this open. The box is pretty banged up, not as bad as I've seen, but it's in kind of rough shape. So we have now opened it with the magic scissors. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I have content up all the time, Monday through Friday and sometimes weekends. It looks like we don't have surprises. We'll have some surprises underneath the foam, but we have three things right here above. We have the candy shop card, and this is a bloody handprint. Nobody mentions that but me. Does anyone really care? No. But we've got a lot of things here. Let's start with what's on top. We will start with the Jouer. This is Jouer Cosmetics Lip Enhancer. I have lovely lips. Do I need them enhanced? Perhaps I do. Infused with the good-for-you ingredients, this lip enhancer offers a smooth, silky formula that will protect your lips from environmental damaging elements while providing lasting hydration. $17. Let me get my calculator and start a running tab as well. $17. Let's take a look at what's in the box. What's in the box? You see Seven? You see the movie Seven, and Brad Pitt's like, what's in the box? And this just looks like a little lip balm. And it is just a little lip balm, but it's a fancy Jouer lip balm. It's $17. Alrighty. Next up is my choice. And this is the Kosas. It's Kosas. Color and Light Palette, Powder Brush, Blush and Highlighter. An ultra blendable powder, blush, and highlight palette in versatile duos of balancing, brightening, foolproof, clean, and skin cushioning formulas. Each duo is available in 2 levels of intensity for color that complements every mood and every skin tone. MSRP $34. So we got that added. Let's see which, I don't remember which one. I didn't get anything too bright. It's in the Contrachrome, and this is Color and Light Pressed. Some of these are cream, but this is actually powder, and that's really pretty. I'm not going to swatch it, but it'll make for a real soft blush. And that looks like a highlighter. I don't want to swatch it in case I want to do something else with it. But that was my choice. It doesn't matter if I get it in the box or not. The next up is from Laura Geller. Oh, this is an orange red. Where is it? Is it an orange red? Laura Geller 50 Kisses Lip Locking Lip Color. This is in the color Ruby Romance. Well, I have a kitten named Ruby. How fantastic. She will look terrible in this color because she's orange. But this is No More Air Kisses. Our pure pigment formula stays true and soft. Satiny color that stays put from morning peck to midnight smooch. The uniquely curved applicator hugs lips for precise application. The built-in well delivers the perfect amount of color with each application. $21. So let's take a look. No, I think it's a blue red, but it's awfully bright. I don't know if I'm going to use that or not. I'm really picky about reds. And that looks almost like a fuchsia. Almost. Now let's see what's in under the foam. Oh, we've got a palette. I was going to try to save that till last, but alas, it is here now. Here and now. And this is the Illuminati X with Issa, which is designed by Isabella Bedrioria. And I've seen this palette. I'm not that excited about it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it or keep it, give it away, whatever. But I'm opening up the plastic because it is mine. by gum. And these are the colors. Like, some of these colors are my colors, but there's a lot that are not. Like this whole pastel roll, not my jam. I don't know. It seems cute enough, but the pastel just looks like it doesn't belong. Pastel just doesn't belong with this. I think she might have been drunk when she put it together. But let's read about it. This is the Illuminati Issa eyeshadow palette. Illuminati Cosmetics has collaborated with Isabella Bedoya for an ultra versatile palette, creating an evening glam look or perfect daytime look. The shades range from pastels to bright colors and neutrals. There's a look for every person. MSRP $48. I don't know if that's worth that's not worth $48. To me, it is not worth $48. All right, then we have two more things left, and I'm excited about this next one. My box is going to fall now because it is heavy. This is what's been keeping the box on my table, and this is the Murad Hydrating Toner, and I'm excited about this because I love Murad stuff. I use a lot of Murad eye creams, and I love them. An ultra hydrating alcohol-free toner instantly balances skin natural pH while lifting impurities to enhance the benefits of treatments that follow. Sodium PCA helps replenish lost moisture, while chamomile and cucumber extracts soothe the skin. MSRP $35. And then we have, lastly, this is the go-to exfoliating swipies. Let me get this box down here. I just dropped the card. I'm knocking everything over. It's okay. My room is jammed full of makeup. So, this is these single-use exfoliating pads soaked in an all-natural solution get rid of dead skin cells and hydrate the skin. Well-documented effectiveness of lactic acid, the most gentle of all AHAs, is combined with the ultra-hydrating essential oils to create a face exfoliator that thoroughly removes dead skin cells, refines skin texture, minimizes the appearance of fine lines, and deeply moisturizes the face. And this is $35. So that makes my box $190. My base box was over $200. And let's see. This is okay. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. This, don't know. I think it's not the right kind of color for me. This lip, it's nice to have a fancy lip balm. Nice face swipies. And the Murad, this pays for the box completely, and I'm totally happy with that. And then this weird ass palette that I'm not a fan of. So, $190. I'm really only excited about the face spray. It's not a terrible box by any means. You know, I might use these, I might give them away. I just know when I start using like little radiance pads and stuff, like I forget about them, and then they dry up. The other half dries up because I stopped using them. And this was variation 79, and this box is okay. It's all right. I don't feel ripped off or anything, you know, and it's not their fault that this isn't my jam. But I did, like some other people have said, I like my base box so much better than my premium this month. It doesn't mean I'm going to stop getting premium, because premium is usually fantastic. But this stuff is not bad. It just doesn't get me jazzed up. It doesn't float my boat. So I want to thank you for being here and watching my video. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you real soon.